What it is though? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, so we got a song here. We're gonna sing it because we sing songs around here. So happy man is here today, and happy man is you. Happy man is here today, and happy man is me. Happy man is here today, and happy man is you. Baby boy, baby girl, what's up, y'all? We got Happy Mail today, and we got two of the best things in the world. We got Starbucks, and we got Happy Planner Mail. Girl. So, y'all, we got some goodies from Happy Planner. We trying to see what's in this box because we so super duper excited and we so super duper ready to see what's in this box. What is in this box? So, y'all, what we're about to do is dive into this box and see what the Happy Planner team sent the Unicorn Squad to look at and to see what they got new from their fall collection. So, if y'all finding y'all little hearts, go on to the Happy Planner and thank them because y'all know we got new people to thank. And thank them for sending the Unicorn Squad some goodies to see up close and personal. So yeah, y'all, that's what we're about to get into and do. Y'all, when I tell y'all the UPS man pulled up, I'm like, what he got? I had ordered some shoes, but FedEx, it was like I'm expecting some shoes from Nordstrom, but like I'm like, Nordstrom delivered yesterday and they come from FedEx. So I'm like, who is this? Why is they coming from UPS? Then I was just like, oh, well, y'all, maybe they just sending stuff, whoever can get it. Whoever come pick it up first, get it. Okay, because y'all know how the mail is going. But no, honey. No, honey. No, honey. This is Happy Mail. This got nothing to do with what you ordered while you've been in quarantine. So, y'all, let's get into the Happy Mail from the Happy Planner and see what they got in this fall collection up close. Y'all. All right. We're going to learn today. Wait a minute. I think we got the box backwards. Oh, no, we don't. That was the right side. Y'all, we about to open this Happy Planner box. Y'all, we finna dive in it. Girl, we diving in this box. Y'all, I'm so excited. Like, I'm ready to see what I can see. Girl. Let me get my handy dandy. Boom. Let me get my handy dandy's Tina's pack knife. Yes. How you open a package. What we trying? Got that side. Y'all. Woo-hoo-hoo! What did Happy Planner send TinaBopper and the Unicorn Squad? Y'all, I really want to know. Because you know how you like, but they don't know me though. So I like wonder what they sent me. And then, girl, it's going to be good because it's new. And it's Happy Planner. So, oh my God. Oh, got a paper punch! Oh my God! Y'all! Oh my God! Ah, they know I need a paper punch! Oh my God! Oh my God! I got a paper punch! That's why my box so heavy! Schmevy! Y'all, sent me the limited edition paper. Y'all, I'm about to flip my lid. Oh my goodness. Girl. Girl, this is for everybody that is a planner. It's a happy planner, babe. I'm talking about, like, y'all know us. Like, even the people that don't know us. They like, girl, I don't know, but I know she loves some happy planner. Oh my God. Y'all, this is so cute. And to, girl, I know that's Stephanie handwriting because I be seeing her writing in her planner. I done seen her writing her planner, child. That's her writing on this. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is on my desk most definitely. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. That is so pretty. That is gorgeous. Y'all, I'm so happy to have that. That's, oh my goodness. That's nice. Ooh, y'all, we got a mini planner. I'm here for it. Things to play with. So we have the a mini planner. It's a horizontal layout. 12 months, 2021. I think Happy Planner want me to plan on the go because they always send me a little mini girl. They like, one day Tina gonna click into planning on the go and we gonna have her ready. Y'all, it's horizontal layout. So it says live free. It has rose gold foiling on it, and in yellow it says live free. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. The inside is black and white. Oh, they done took Stephanie out the they done took Stephanie out the planner. Oh, they gonna get smackdown. Smack with the smackdown. So it say welcome to the Happy Planner, and then it just tell you that it's a horizontal layout. Hello, this mini Happy Planner belongs to, oh, and then it has the blackout 2021, 2022, honey. Ooh. 6 months at a glance. 6 more months at a glance. And that's 2021. As long as you know who you are, it doesn't matter what others think. Amen. 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 And here's what January dashboard looks like in this planner. So it has a little note section with dot grid, dates to remember lined, graph paper, say set your intention. Here's your monthly. And here's your weekly. A little cute or whatever. So I wonder, is it neutral all the way through? We're gonna learn today. This February is blue. Ooh. I'll let y'all read that yourself. Here go February monthly. So yeah, it go with the blue theme, and then here we go into the blue theme. That's cute. March looks like the cover. It's a peach. Going into April. Kindness changes lives. Can y'all see that red foiling? Ooh, ooh. Oh, that's so cute. And April is blue. May. Be brave and wild. That is May. a little new color. Going into June. Ooh. And then it's like rose gold. But can y'all see that on the camera? I barely, there you go. I was about to say, I barely can see. Look how pretty that rose gold is. And on June is blue. July. There's July. A little neutral. Here's August. Back to the blue. September. Girl, know your purpose and put your whole heart into that. Amen. Ooh, speak to me. Speak to me, planner. Speak to me. September, a little moody. October, gonna be back bluey. Oh, look at the little gems with the flowers and the moon. So cute. October is blue. November. These new pages feel so good. This life was meant for dreaming. Then it has the little fall. Look at the little stars. It's the little details. November, new. So that means December gonna be blue, like icy blue, like winter. December, dream big. Dream big. And then it's blue. That is December. Last little take note page. And that is the 12-month dated horizontal layout. Live free mini happy planner. Let's see what else they sent me in this glorious box, y'all. 12-month vertical layout. It's a deluxe because it has gold disc. Oh my, that was a good one. That's a good one. It's the Teresa Collins Create a Beautiful Life. This is the Teresa Collins 12-month planner with the metal gold disc. Now, since we just flipped through that one, I'm going to flip through this one, but I'm going to give y'all glory because I know how y'all love a live video. So, after y'all see this, we're going to go live and flip through the Teresa Collins and look at and enjoy all the things. But this is the Teresa Collins 12-month vertical layout 2021 planner. It says do what you love in gold. That is beautiful, and it is y'all, that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. So that's the Teresa Collins classic vertical. Let's see what else is in here. A few more things, y'all. I'm so sad to see that box end. We have mini paper, which is, it's a Happy Planner girl right there. But what girl is this? Oh, this the minimalist girl. This is the minimalist girl. Mini. So it says to do and notes and top 3 today. And a dated section. Y'all, that's real cute. And the back of the, let's see. Is the back of the paper pink or is it 2 sheets? The minimalist girl. The minimalist girl actually, ooh. They done bent my paper. UPS. Y'all know I hate, look at me. I hate being bent paper, but they only fold like the first 2, so I'm gonna just take those out. Today, 1, 2, 3, the notes to do, and the date at the top, and the back is just pink paper. Ooh, that's pretty. That's so cute. So yeah, that's the mini minimalist happy planner. Girl, that's so cute. Well, let's not worry about getting that back in. Next we have quotes. Is this the Teresa Collins? Yes, this is the Teresa Collins. Oh, somebody happy planner know me. I just saw that sticker book. Girl, what you say? Say what now? Girl, what you say? Girl. So, with the the Teresa Collins stickers, the 5-pack, so designed to fit the happy planner discbound system, and it's 5 sheets of stickers in here. We gonna look at these when we look at her, cause y'all know we love a good set that goes together. And boo baby, y'all know this right here is going to get flipped through. I don't even want to go into it now because we're gonna be here 45 minutes easily. Homebody Seasons, the happy planner girl, y'all, they sent me Homebody Seasons. Somebody had a spirit, something in their spirit said put this in there for TinaBopper. She gonna love it. And boy, was they right. Boy, was they right. So, y'all, that was everything that was in my happy planner box, y'all. And it is so good. I'm excited. I'm excited to look through. Girl. Yes, this was awesome, y'all. So, we're going to get in depth with everything, but I showed y'all as much as I can show y'all without this video being... I mean, y'all know I don't care about a long video, but it's early. I'm talking about just started drinking my coffee. Y'all, look how good this is. This is the happy moment. All this the happy, but these, ooh, this it right here. That's it. Like, this is a nice little care package. And I thank the Happy Planner for sending over to the Unicorn Squad some things to see from the new fall collection. And y'all, thank y'all for watching. Y'all, don't forget to thumbs up this video if y'all enjoyed. And y'all, if y'all ready to see these flip throughs, comment down below and let me know. Let me know when y'all ready, so I'll be ready. I'm already ready, but y'all let me know when y'all ready, so I don't have to get ready, because I'm already ready. What's up? So bye, y'all. Y'all have a great rest of y'all day. Love y'all. Bye.